dearies, welcome back to my channel. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty, so welcome to my channel. So on this channel we talk about skincare, we do DIY on how you can make your skincare product yourself. We do DIY using plants and herbs around you to look beautiful. And in case you want to enroll for your skincare training, your body enhancement training, feel free to send a WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing on your screen right now. Thank you for always taking your time to watch all my content on this channel. I really appreciate you guys. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Before we go straight into the video, I just want to tell you about this product. Okay, so this is our butt and hips enlargement oil. Okay, we have this product available for sale in case you cannot make this product yourself. Yeah, we have it available for sale. This work, believe me. You can follow us on our Instagram at HBM Organic Beauty. Okay, HBM Organic Beauty. You can follow us on Instagram to see reviews on this product. It is 3. So we have the butt scrub, we have the butt and hips oil, we have the body enhancement syrup. Okay, when you use these 3 together, believe me, you're going to see superb results. So today's video, I want to talk about how you can make your VJ tightening drink. Yes, so we are going into Kayamata. I hope you all know what Kayamata is. Kayamata is the trending product that you see all around on social media. Some people will say hypnotize your man using this soap to wash your VJ. Some other will say take this drink, it will make you sweet for your man, it will tighten your VJ and make your VJ to be more sweetened or sweet. You know, so many of them, they'll be going like that. Most people will tell you, okay, take this syrup. This syrup will make your VJ to be so wet and slimy. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting up more content on Kayamata on how you can make this product yourself at home. So the first ingredient we need to make our VJ tightening drink is our ginger. Ginger is a great antioxidant which is good for fighting infections, fighting bacteria in the body. Because this vaginal tightening drink we want to make, we also want it to treat infections. So any kind of infection you're having in you, this drink is going to flush them out. So this is a very good antibacterial and anti-infection healing herb. So we are going to use this. So we are going to add this into our VJ tightening drink. And also, if you're suffering from any infection like vaginal candidiasis, you're having a VJ that oozes, VJ that smells bad, this is really gonna help. So we are going to add this into our VJ tightening drink. Another important spice we are going to use is our groundnut. So I'm using this one with the shell, I'm not peeling it. So I bought this groundnut, then I had to sun dry so that it will dry very well. So we're going to use this also for our VJ tightening. Like we all know, so many people have been shooting these videos on YouTube about using groundnut water to tighten your womanhood. So for me, I'm going to add in another herb to it so that it will help this groundnut water. It will not just be like me using ordinary groundnut water. Yeah, groundnut water is very good for tightening. In fact, this is very superb when it comes to tightening. I tried this also and I found out that it really works for me. And in fact, most of the people selling Kayamata, the VJ tightening products, VJ sex sweetener products, and other products that are trending now, that they will tell you use this, apply this, wash with this to hypnotize your man, to save your home, to keep your man and all that. Yes, groundnut water helps a lot. So this will also help you restore your confidence back, to help you restore your womanhood back. It will take you to being a virgin again, believe me. So we're gonna use this. So I'm going to be showing you how we can use these two together to make your VJ tightening drink. For the third ingredient I'll be using is our honey. So I'll be using our honey. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end so that you see how I use this honey to this drink. So this is our groundnut. So you're going to wash very well. I don't want to strain because I wouldn't want to strain the dates with this, so that is why I'm not straining. As you can see, the water is so dirty. So now I'm going to add this into my pot. You can add this into your kettle. So here is my ginger. Yeah, I'm peeling the ginger. So what this ginger will do is that this ginger will help in preserving your drink in case you want to keep your drink for some time before drinking it. Ginger preserves drink. It preserves food, especially drink, and that is why you see people using ginger for zobo drink and many other drink. And this is very, very beneficial to your health. This is an antioxidant. It's going to cleanse your honey pot. It's going to cleanse your VJ. It's going to cleanse it, take off every infection there. So this is not just an ordinary tightening drink. It will also cleanse you. It will give you a sweet aroma down there. And it tones the beat. I'm going to put this to boil. Do not mind my pot. It's the pot I use in cooking my herbs. This smells so good. Like, this smells so nice. So nice. Like, oh my god, the whole of this building is smelling of this drink. It smells so good, so good. Like, you are not going to think twice before you drink this. So I'm going to strain it. Yeah. So here is our drink. So I'll go on and add in the next ingredient, which is our honey. So I'm going to add in 1 spoon of honey. This is optional, but believe me, it's going to make it very, very delicious. Like, you won't think twice before you drink this, especially for people that fears herbs like me. So you take this for 4 days and you stop. So I'm going to drink my VJ tightening drink now. Like I said, take this for 4 days. Take it in the morning, yeah, for 4 days. So after the 4 days, like on the 5th day, then you check your VJ again. You check how far with your VJ tightness. Check how tightened your VJ is. So, and believe me, you're going to come back telling me it's tighter. Like, this is going to take you back to being a virgin. Yeah, I'm done taking my drink. Like I said, this is so delicious. It's gonna help your body. It's gonna burn down the fat in your belly. So thank you so much. If you enjoy my content, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then watch out more for more of this content. Yeah, more of this content. So do not forget, if you want to enroll for our online skincare class, please enroll for our online skincare class. If you want to enroll for our body enhancement class, feel free to do that. All right.